After black and white, yellow fungus infection has been detected. Is it contagious? What are the symptoms? Are all of these fungi contagious? What if more variants come up in the future? Today, in this video, you will get answers to all these questions. The outbreak of the second wave of coronavirus pandemic in India brought along unending sadness, with new cases increasing and deaths mounting to unmatched numbers. To add to the misery with overuse of steroids in COVID-19 treatment, we saw black fungus infection or mucormycosis starting to take lives in India and pressure the already stressed Indian healthcare system. At a time when the country was still trying to tackle the startling rise in mucormycosis cases, white and yellow fungus infections also started being reported from various parts of India. Though all three are serious fungal infections, their preventive methods, symptoms, etc. vary from each other. Starting with the first, what is black fungus? Mucormycosis, also known as black fungus, is caused by a type of mold called mucormycetes, which are present in our surrounding environment throughout. What causes black fungus? To treat COVID-19, patients are often administered steroidal injections, which reduce the inflammation in the respiratory tracts, while also affecting the immune capacity of a person to fight infections. Such patients become more prone to getting mucormycosis. Those having pre-existing morbidity such as diabetes or cancer are at a higher risk of getting infected. Symptoms of black fungus. Mucormycosis affects the sinus and lungs of a patient and manifests itself with symptoms such as swelling on one side of the face, severe headache, nasal congestion, chest pain, and affects the vision too. Doctors have said sensible use of steroids and monitored blood sugar levels can prevent black fungus infection among COVID-19 patients. Next up, what is white fungus? Some health experts believe that white fungus or aspergillosis is more dangerous than the black fungus as it can affect several parts of the body such as the nail bed, skin, stomach, kidney, and brain. What causes white fungus? As with black fungus, white fungus is more common in people with low immunity and pre-existing medical issues such as diabetes, cancer, etc. This fungus may also be detected in patients who have been on steroids for long or have been in ICU for an extended period. Talking about the symptoms, AIIMS professor Dr. Kaushal Verma has said that the white fungus infection begins from the tongue, due to which it turns the tongue white. The most telling symptoms of white fungus infection are cough, fever, diarrhea, dark spots on the lungs, and reduced oxygen level. Next up, what is yellow fungus? Yellow fungus infections, which are not a new disease, some doctors have warned that yellow fungus can pose more risks than black or white fungus infections because this one affects internal organs. What causes yellow fungus? Like most fungal infections, this is also primarily caused by unsanitary conditions such as poor hygiene and contaminated food. Overuse of steroids and antibacterial medications can also cause this disease. Patients who have comorbidities may be at a greater risk of contracting the infection. What are the symptoms of yellow fungus? It starts internally, causing pus leakage, slowing healing of wounds, causing organ failure, and at times acute necrosis. At the start of the infection, patients may experience lethargy as it spreads internally, affecting organs and draining people of energy. Patients may even lose appetite or develop poor eating habits, which may eventually result in unusual weight loss coupled with poor metabolism. In some cases, yellow fungus may affect the eyes of the patient. In that case, one must watch out for redness and sunken eyes. But the most common question is, are these infections communicable? See, black fungus is not contagious and cannot spread from one person to another. Fungal infections usually spread when an individual inhales molds found in the environment, while yellow fungus infections could also spread via high levels of humidity, contaminated food. Poor hygiene and unclean conditions remain the main reasons for the infection. Doctors and specialists recommend that those who have weak immunity should remain on alert and contact a doctor if they notice any symptoms. Follow proper mask mandates, maintain personal hygiene, keep your surroundings clean. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more knowledge-based content. Till then, thanks for watching.